Annotate is a local only Mac app that allows you to record your screen, describe what matters, say the change, and then drop that into an AI-powered IDE to actually replace the whole concept of a prompt. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. And today I won't actually be going through the tool myself. I just wanted to put you guys onto this because I think this is an amazing sort of way to prompt. I don't know if it's got an official name yet. I'm sort of between me and my network, we call it video prompting, where you basically just like make a video of what you want, describe what you want, just using natural language. So you're speaking as you're making the video. Very similar to the videos I make here, because of course you can all tell I'm using an AI avatar, but this is my real, genuine human voice with no AI being included in that. And ultimately, yeah, what you can do is you can just describe what you want to see on the screen or changes you want to make, drop that into your AI-powered IDE in the prompt box, and it will just make that, which personally I think is just amazing. You know, I think this is a great way to actually just like visually describe and show any sort of model what you want. If you want more information or want a sort of clear understanding, I highly recommend watching this video. The founder here has made it very useful. It's very clear, very concise, shows you exactly what you need to do in order to get this running. It is only available for Mac at the moment. Hopefully the founder does release this for Windows in the future, but yeah, definitely check this out. I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out. Annotate is definitely a great sort of new way to build things or to just describe and prompt anything into a large language model of your choice. So definitely check this out if you think it would be useful for you.